For real numbers A, B, and C, such that A is greater than B is greater than C, and B is greater than 0, which of the following statements below are always true? So, when you're doing logic questions, we're going to try to eliminate answers. We're going to try to eliminate answers. So, only C can be negative. Only C can be negative based on the information they gave us, because we know that B is greater than 0 and A is greater than B. So A and B both have to be positive. And then C can be negative. It doesn't have to be negative, it can be negative. So we're going to go through each of these and see if there are any scenarios where we can disprove this. So an absolute value is going to mean the positive form of a number. So for both A and B, it doesn't matter because A and B are already positive, so they can't be negative, and therefore the absolute value is irrelevant. So we're trying to find which answers are always true. So we already have been told that A is greater than B. We know that the absolute value of a positive number isn't ever going to change anything. So we know with 100% certainty that every scenario of A will always be greater than B. It doesn't matter about the absolute value. So now we're going to look at number 2. Since C can be negative, we could make C negative 10 and A positive 1. And therefore, that would make the absolute value of C of positive 10 be greater than A, which is 1. And so we can eliminate answer 2 because we can falsify it. And the same is going to be true for C. We could make, or for 3. We could make C negative 10. We could make B positive 1. And therefore, the absolute value of C, which would be positive 10, would be greater than positive 1. So we can eliminate both 1 and 2, meaning that only the first one is always true, which is answer